This leaves your skin feeling like butter. Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July, and this time around it has been very delayed for me, and even my Glam Bag has arrived very late, and Glam Bag Plus even more delayed. Today is August 1st, and July bag I received in August. So let's see like what we got in my bag. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So this is the card this month. It says take a break. So this is this month's bag. So I think I have had gotten this bag previously but in a different color. So this is how it looks inside. So this is the zipper, so but it's a big size. Okay, the first beauty that I have is this one, bbbeautiful FARAH Precious Midnight Pro Trio. Okay, so these are the three brushes that I got. It's like not black. I was thinking of black, but this is not black. It's like navy kind of blue. The set works with both cream and powder formulas to create full face look. Using a balanced weight, these brushes are designed for comfortable application. Each brush uses high quality synthetic fibers that don't skim on performance. And these are synthetic, cruelty free and vegan. These babies are everything you could want in a makeup brush set. And maximum retail price for these is $48. And now the time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, love the quality of these brushes, nice grip, easy to glide, and the bristles are soft and really good quality. Okay, the next one says, the handles were beautiful and very comfortable, but the bristles themselves were too soft and felt very cheap. Okay, the next one says, FARAH brushes are flimsy and feel cheap. Not a fan of the brand. Cool. The next one says, I used one to apply my foundation and it blended the foundation really good, giving my skin a natural finish. That's cool. So some do love it and some do hate it. So some felt it's very cheap kind of brushes, and some said like the foundation did apply very well and they really love it. So but for me it feels like a good quality kind of brush. The next beauty is this one right here. This is the $1 Billion Brows 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. Okay, so this is how it looks, and we got a brush. The maximum retail price is $24, and this is weighing in at 30 ml. So this top matte powder allows you to play with your brow shape and add depth and dimensions to thin brow hairs. Apply it like a pro with a dual-ended angled eyebrow brush. It has a soft synthetic bristles that allow you to build the powder onto your brow lines, plus a spoolie to diffuse the color for a natural look. Now, time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, application is better than decent, presents natural in color on me. That is awesome that the color worked on you. Okay, cool. The next one says, never used this brand before, but I like it. I'm a pencil person, but I can use this along with my pencil or brow gel. That is true. I'm also a pencil kind of person. I either use the brow gel. Today I'm using the clear brow gel. That's pretty much it. I haven't filled my brows or anything because I want to give this one a shot. So hopefully this works for me too. Okay, the next one says, shade works well for me. The powder is nice, though I still don't think it compares to Benefit's Brow Powder. I think this is a great extra travel powder that I probably won't use every day, but definitely won't discard or give away. That's an interesting review. Okay, the next one says very good shade, but add primer before putting on for a less fallout. Okay, that's awesome reviews, guys. So most of the people did say that this color did work for them. I'm just going to apply this a bit to my eyebrows. I just want to see how this looks for me. Okay, this looks good actually. The color. Wow, I'm impressed. This gives like that kind of natural kind of look, and it feels good. So this is how it looks. So this is the eyebrow that it applied the eyebrow powder, and this is the one that I haven't. You see the difference, right? So this is like before and after. This is how it looks when both the brows are done. This is the next beauty that I got. This is in the color what? Jackpot, and this is the makiage eyeshadow. I'm just okay. So this is how the packaging open, like this. Wow, I'm impressed. So this is like next level packaging. Okay, so this is how the product looks. So this is how it looks. The color is really good. It's like green kind of color. So that it's very like metallic kind of green. The maximum retail price is $29 for this beauty, and why you'll love it. Get ready for some makeup magic. This hybrid eyeshadow glides on like a cream, blends like a liquid, and finishes like a powder. Multi-dimensional and totally eye-catching, this metallic green shade was practically made for all your big night outs. Use a small makeup brush to blend this shadow onto your lids, or use your fingers to really pack on the pigment. Now, the time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, I'm very impressed by the quality. This item is the star of this month's bag. That's awesome. Okay, the next one says, oh my god, love the feeling of this shadow. Very pretty color. Cool. Okay, the next one says, I'm in love with this. The color, the packaging, all of it. That's true. I love the packaging, like the packaging that this comes in, and also this one too. I like both of these. Okay, the next one says, this is a really beautiful shimmery shadow shade, and I love the container it comes in. That's interesting reviews, you guys. The next product that I see is this beauty right here. Midflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask. So this is how it looks, and I got like three sheet mask. The price on this one is $15, and when it comes to hydrating skincare ingredients, nothing is more effective than hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid isn't just a hydrator, it's an anti-ager too. It infuses your skin with moisture to temporarily plump fine lines and smooth wrinkles. A 30-minute date with this mask will leave your skin feeling soft and replenished and looking ultra dewy. Now the time for the juicy reviews. The first one says, this leaves your skin feeling like butter, and I was definitely re-energized like butter. Okay. I love getting face mask in beauty boxes. Cannot wait to try these. Okay, the next one says, happy to have received. Not mad at receiving sheet mask. Okay. The next one says, didn't really change much, but most favorite masks are like that. It was for sure just nice to have a little self-treatment night and use this though. Only thing I didn't really like was the texture of the mask and how it has to stay in for 30 minutes. Okay, the next one says, love them, made my face feel so refreshed after a long day at work. That's cool. So looks like some do like it and some don't. So this is more like a self spa kind of treatment. So and it gives like more moisturized kind of look. And the next beauty that we have is this one. This is the yensa Super 8 lip oil. It smells good, like kind of fruit, some kind of fruit. And let me swatch this a bit. So this is how it looks. It's a superfood cosmetic 8 super oils: coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, and chia seed oil, black sesame oil, and flaxseed oils. So these are the oils that this one have, and this is a tinted lip oil. Gorgeous even color, leaves lips with a killer shine. This beauty is $28. Okay, let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's a perfect skincare meets makeup hybrid product. That is awesome. Now, time for the juicy reviews. This lip gloss is a little too oily for me. I didn't really like it. Okay, the next one says, this was a perfect slight pink tint and the gloss was wonderful. Added to my daily lip care. Okay, the next one says, not pink like you would think, which for me is great. It's really pretty. The next one says, feels so light on due to being an oil. Smells super fruity and it isn't tacky or sticky. Sheen pretty color. That's awesome. I think I'm gonna put this on just a bit. I want to see how it looks, how it feels on my lips. The smell, I love it. Yeah, it's kind of strong too, but it's like fruity kind of smell. So I think I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna use it. So what I'm thinking is maybe I'll use it just on its own, like for the no makeup days. This is going to be really good. Now the add-ons. Let's see what we got. So this is the add-on that I got this month. It is this beauty right here. It's the Sunday Rally Sleeping Night Oil, and if you see my glam bag add-ons, I did get even in my glam bag. So this month I got 2 of these because I love it so much. So I got 2, one in glam bag and one in glam bag plus. So that's how much I use it. And next, these are the ones that I got. So this is Pixi and eye pen called Copper Glow, and this one is called Sage Gold. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you had fun, and thank you for visiting my channel, and love you guys so much, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.